Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with two essentials: an active carrier voicemail and the phone app open. Once done, tap voicemail at the bottom. If you see Setup Now, follow prompts to create a voicemail password and greeting. Make sure to be in a quiet spot so your recording is clear. You'll want a short script prepared. State your name and instructions for callers, because a planned greeting sounds professional and reduces retakes. Now you'll record and fine-tune the greeting. Tap Greeting, then select Custom and press Record. Speak naturally, short sentences, slight pauses between ideas so callers can follow. Once you tap Stop, listen back and decide. Keep it, re-record, or choose Default if you prefer the carrier message. Make small edits by re-recording. The app overwrites the previous file. When you're happy, press Save, and the new greeting becomes active immediately for all incoming calls. Finish by testing. Call your number from another phone to confirm the greeting plays. Once confirmed, make adjustments if the volume or wording needs change, re-record as necessary. If visual voicemail won't let you save, restart the iPhone or toggle airplane mode. If that fails, contact your carrier to reset voicemail password or settings. Also, keep iOS and carrier updates current, because outdated software can block custom greetings or visual voicemail features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.